Hello, everyone, and welcome to Crazy Town. I am your mayor, Minister Danielle K. Anderson, and here we talk about spirituality, self-improvement, and stuff I like. In this video, we are continuing our exploration of divination with playing cards, also known as Cartomancy, with the Eight of Clubs. In this system, the Eight of Clubs is called the Fixed Mind. Contrary to its name, this is actually a card of confusion. Sometimes it does represent stubbornness and steadfastness, but also being highly opinionated. On the other hand, it also sometimes represents a state of confusion or a crossroads type of decision that needs to be made. This card can be a signal of problems in relationships, whether it be in love or in business. The Eight of Clubs can represent also a feeling of jealousy, where the love of money or success can take over your thoughts. When you see this card, it's probably best to take a break as much as possible from everything to gain perspective and refocus your energies. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the Eight of Clubs, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are brand new to Crazy Town, subscribe to become a citizen, and don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified of every new video that comes out. In the meantime, you can click here to get caught up on the entire Cartomancy series. And if you click here, you'll see a video that YouTube thinks that you'll like. Why not check that out too? I'll see you next time in the cards.